Oh, it's the present gift. Yes, meron pala kami yearbook nila.
Sino po?
They wanna put great contributors ng Paralamba. At birthday. Present team with...
I am Kim and I'm known for my very joyful energy. And isa ako sa banda ng school namin. This is my child best friend. We're the type of friends na kung ano ang gusto ko, gusto niya. Kung ano ang gusto niya, gusto ko. And we don't keep secret to each other. But there's something I'll never tell him. It's that I like him.
Ano yan? Seryoso. Ay, Kim! Una na pala ako.
Sabay?
Ayap sa pera. See you, Kim!
Chris!
Please, we're dying. How long are you planning to keep this secure? Was that clear earlier?
Yes, Doc. Pero ko lang naman siya nakikita nasasaktan.
Mas masasaktan si Kim kapag nalaman niya at huli na. And she is the right to know.
Alam ko naman yun, Doc. I can just feel it na nakikita siya nasasaktan. May good news ako. Kim, asan ka? Kim, magtatampo ka na naman. Para kang bata. Guys, ano na lang gagawin mo kung wala ako?
Kung magpiro ng ganyan. Chris, bakit nag-asawa ka?
Sa tingin ko, para may makasama sila sa pagtanda.
Eh di tayo na lang. Ano naman tayo eh.
Hindi naman kita papakasali. Tsaka pag nakapagpangasawa na ako, iiwan na kita. Ay, Kim, una na pala ako.
Hello? Sino to?
Hello, this is Kim. This is Chris, doctor. You're Kim, right? Chris with you as his relative. He's in the hospital right now and he needs someone. He's at EA Medical Center.
Kala mo hindi kita makikita?
Anong ginagawa mo dito? Dapat di ka na pumunta.
Kailangan mo ko, Chris. Lalabanan natin to.
I stayed with him for a few days. I pampered him like he used to do with me. I took care of him, gaya noon siya sa akin.
Uy, play favorite song mo.
Talaga ba? Sige nga, itayo mo nga ako.
Ha? Kaya mo?
Alam mo ba, sa ito yung pinapaalala sa mga para na ako makakatay araw-araw. Hinihiling ko na mabuhay yung bilang isang komplitong bago.
Bakit? Parang naiisa mo?
Ayoko lang naman ako hindi ako masaktan, Kim.
Nalulunod ka?
Hinanong na ako. Pwede na ba ako kumalik?
Sige. Chris, I like you.
Parang kay bilis ng iyong pag-alis. Teka lang muna.
Hearing his goodbye didn't hurt me.
Sana ka
What hurts me the most is that he's been fighting this all alone when it's supposed to be us. I hated him for keeping a secret from me, but I hated myself the most for letting him push me away from his life. He ended loves me to the point that he doesn't want to hurt me even though he's the one who's suffering alone.
Grabe naman po po pala yung story nila. What happened to Rick?
Well, kasi check sa her dreams, hindi ka kasi like it. She can treat souls to live in the creation.
Di ko pa yata kayang hindi ka na makita pagising sa umaga. Ikaw